This is our second full day in Singapore. We're really enjoying our time over here. It's been amazing. And today it's gonna be a full day on exploring. Oh, well, not full day because we woke up very late.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be half of a day full on exploring.
And really excited about nighttime. You probably know why. Very famous here in Singapore.
Yeah.
But you have to wait until the end of the video.
You have to wait until the end of the day.
It was smelling good. Christiana couldn't resist. She's gonna have homemade waffle.
For less than $2.
Singapore is not that expensive as people say. It's quite decent. Yeah! You want crispy?
Yes, please.
Have you been to Sentosa?
Where?
Sentosa.
No,
Sentosa, no.
It's open 24 hours.
Yes, the after this stay. Where do you stay?
Here. Just here.
Sorry,
No, I don't want to. No. It's all for her.
All for me.
special.
No bag, no bag, just this. Yeah. There we are. Christiana's got her waffle. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Is this bananas? These ones? Bananas, like this color. So our first stop was to Little India, have some lunch. We've got some lamb here with biryani rice, some potato with cauliflower, and what's the name of that bread?
Chapati.
Chapati bread and cucumber, and we ordered ourselves teh tarik, which is coming out at teh tarik. We love this. Basically it's black tea with sweet milk. Woo! What a great lunch. Check out this restaurant. It's called Azim restaurant and it's next to the Indian temple, which is across. We're going to India this year, so we're really excited about that. It'll be around the end of the year probably.
We're on our way to Arab Street. Let's check it out.
We've made it to Arab Street, and in front of us, which I'll show you now, there's a big mosque that looks like something from Aladdin. So many odd shaped buildings. This really is on another level. Completely insane.
Just an incredible architecture. It just looks like a sheet of paper. It's incredible.
Very, very thin.
Yeah.
Insane. These guys are really on another level. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh. By the bay. It's still daytime. It's around 6 o'clock. So we're gonna stick around for a little bit and wait for the sunset.
And then when it comes to night, you're gonna see some avatars running around. inside the Marina Bay. This is really, really posh.
Super, very flashy.
Flashy. Even smells good.
Can you have 2 tickets?
Alright, tickets you're purchasing is only for this area, just observation deck, yeah? Okay, the swimming pool you cannot go, it's only for hotel guests.
So we just bought some tickets. We're going to the observation deck. The lady said that we are not allowed to go to the swimming pool, but still, I'm sure it will be a pretty awesome view. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Oh wow!
Look at this, we made it all the way to the top! What? Ah, Gardens by the Bay! Oh. That's where we're going next.
Welcome to Singapore.
How insane is this view?
It's beautiful. Starting to lighten up.
Have a look, have a look, have a look. Whoa, look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful.
This was totally worth the 23 Singaporean dollars. That's where we're gonna head next, to the Gardens by the Bay. See you guys over there.
We changed our minds. It's getting late, so we're gonna have dinner and head back to the apartment, and then tomorrow we're gonna check out the Gardens by the Bay and the light show.
And we have in Burger King, by the way.
Again?
Yeah.